Arctic high pressure will remain entrenched across the region through early Thursday. Warning device. During potentially dangerous weather situations or other emergencies, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. Reception of this program and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. The variability becomes more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for warnings, selected watches, and other environmental emergencies affecting the following North Carolina counties: Alamance, Alexander, Allegheny, Anson, Bertie, Cabarrus, Caswell, Chatham, Davidson, Davie, Durham, Edgecombe, Forsyth, Franklin, Granville, Greene, Guilford, Halifax, Harnett, Hoke, Iredell, Johnson, Lee, Martin, Montgomery, Moore, Nash, Northampton, Orange, Person, Pitt, Randolph, Richmond, Rockingham, Rowan, Scotland, Stanley, Stokes, Surrey, Union, Vance, Wake, Warren, Wayne, Wilkes, Wilson, and Yadkin. The warning alarm will also be activated for the following counties in South Carolina: Chesterfield and Marlborough, and the following counties in Virginia: Brunswick, Carroll, Floyd, Grayson, Henry, Mecklenburg, Patrick, and Pittsylvania. This includes the independent cities of Galax, Martinsville, and Danville. Repeating, the National Weather Service has just activated the public warning alarm tone in the test of the Weather Radio's warning alarm system. Here is the latest weather synopsis.
Beacon WWF60 for this weekly test on a snowy day. Around my neighborhood, some of my area, at least in this neighborhood, some of the snow that they have melted, but since I'm in a more shaded area from where I'm at, there's still snow lingering. And I'll leave this there. Don't fall, by the way. As for all I got, just a dust is all I got on my end. Yeah. So, just really dusting I got for the most part in my area in Charlotte. Not really much in terms of snow, but it's enough to fill in a snowy neighborhood around where I'm at. And me being out here, the neighborhood like this, to get the WWF60 for their usual Wednesday 11 a.m. weekly test. As a matter of fact, I think where I'm at right now for WWF60 may, just maybe, be my best spot for them.
For the western Piedmont, at Albemarle, it was sunny. The temperature was 22 degrees, the dew point 4, and the relative humidity.
So, yeah, just a regular weekly test. But the snow version, kind of.